Modifier and enzyme regulation. Modifiers means which alters the activity of the enzymes. There are several compounds, ions, which either increase the enzyme activity or decrease the active enzyme activity. So, the modifiers may have negative effect on the enzymatic activity or may have the positive effect. According to this, they functions as a activator or they functions as a inhibitor. There are several metal ions, as I have told you, about 1/3 of the enzyme requires metal ions for their optimum activity. So metal ions play an important role in the charge stabilization or the formation of the charged active site. So metal ions either directly participate to enhance the rate of the reaction or they combine with the substrate to form metallosubstrate or they combine with the active site of the enzyme to form metalloenzymes. So there are three modes through which the metal ions activate the enzymes. So they are considered as the inorganic activators. Direct participation such as in the cytochrome and catalase, which are the enzymes of electron transport systems, and iron directly participate in the activity of these enzymes. Metallosubstrate, some enzymes which are catalyzed and altered by the metal ions. In this, the metal ions bind with the substrate. By the binding of the substrate, the metallosubstrate which is formed, then they bind to the active site of the enzymes for their activity. Metalloenzymes, metal ions primarily bind to the active site of the enzymes so that there is a slight conformation change and substrate bind to the active site of the enzyme, and there will be maybe the formation of the enzyme substrate complex with the help of the metal ions present in the active site. So metal ions have different role to increase the enzymatic activity, so they are considered as the activators. There are some heavy metals such as mercury, arsenic, lead. They bind to the active site and depress the activity of the enzymes. So they are the negative modifier or inhibitors. Enzyme regulation. Regulation means the enzymes or overactivity or hyperreaction of the enzymes may be harmful for the living system. So the rate of the reaction or the rate of the enzymatic reaction must be controlled, and this may occur automatically or by the use of the chemicals or organic or inorganic compounds. So zymogen, some enzymes are formed in the inactive forms. They are synthesized at inactive forms and they are activated on their site of the action, such as most of the digestive enzymes, such as chymotrypsinogen, trypsinogen, pepsinogen, proelastase, procarboxypeptidase, means the enzymes which have the suffix ogen, they are inactive form of the enzyme or they have the pro. So these enzymes are synthesized as inactive forms and are activated at their requirement. So this may be due to that they are synthesized in inactive forms, because inactive forms they may be harmful for the other part of the body where they are not required. So such as the synthesis of chymotrypsinogen. Chymotrypsinogen means the enzyme activated for which chymotrypsin. which is the enzyme synthesized by the exocrine cell of the pancreas. After the synthesis, the newly synthesized chymotrypsin contains 245 amino acids in a single polypeptide chain. This is the inactive form or the precursor of the chymotrypsin and known as chymotrypsinogen. There is a cleavage by the trypsin. Trypsin is involved in the cleavage of this newly synthesized peptide at the amino acid number 15 and 16, and a small fragment is released which forms the pi-chymotrypsin. Pi-chymotrypsin is an unstable form of the chymotrypsin, which is further broken by at two sides and after the removal of two dipeptides, which are 14 and 15 amino acids, as well as 147 and 148 amino acids. These are two dipeptides which are released from pi-chymotrypsin, and this forms the alpha-chymotrypsin, which is the stable active form of the chymotrypsin, and this functions as a proteolytic activity in the intestine. So chymotrypsin is synthesized as chymotrypsinogen and activated by a sequence of the reaction. Trypsinogen is also synthesized in the pancreas and functions in the intestine, and it is also activated by the enzyme enterokinase. Enterokinase activates trypsinogen into active form trypsin. Pepsinogen is also activated by the HCl. HCl cleaves the pro sequence of the pepsinogen to form the activated form of the enzyme pepsin. So zymogens, some enzymes are synthesized at inactive forms which are called zymogens, and they are activated during their requirement. The other system of the regulation is covalent modification. Covalent modification means the attachment of the phosphoryl group by the kinase activity. There are some amino acids which may be modified, such as serine. Serine contains OH. These are the hydroxy amino acid, and this group is modified by phosphoric acid by the kinase activity. So the covalent modification means the attachment of the phosphoryl group is also a key point for the regulation of the enzymatic activity. Some enzymes such as glycogen phosphorylase, the enzymes which are involved in the hydrolysis of the glycogen, are regulated by the phosphorylation. Means the covalent modification means the attachment of the phosphoryl group. So the hydrolysis of the glycogen is depend on the activity of the glycogen phosphorylase, which are activated or deactivated by the attachment of the phosphoryl group or removal of the phosphoryl group. So this is also a point that covalent modification is an important mechanism for the regulation of the enzymatic activity. Feedback inhibition is also a natural mechanism for the regulation of the enzymatic activity, because most of the biomolecules are synthesized by a multi-step process. So the feedback inhibition means the initial enzyme, the enzyme which involved in the catalysis of the initial step, is regulated by their end product. The concentration of end product if increases, then it itself regulates the enzymatic activity or inhibit the enzymatic activity, which is called the feedback inhibition. So feedback inhibition is also a major process for the regulation of the enzymatic activity, in which the activity of the enzyme is regulated by their end product. So these are Regulation.